No, keep them up. Keep the windows up.
Don't you want to get wet?
No.
Yeah, you do.
Working in the MVP.
We're getting a car washed and vacuumed, but do you want me to Uber or come home, or what are we doing?
What? Uber for a while.
Okay, that's fine. I just know I want to get this done tonight, but I know you got to unplug the electricity, so stuff. Okay.
Hey, Todd.
What, buddy?
Joe's going to take you home.
Okay.
Okay. Say thank you, Toddy.
Thank you, Toddy.
Say love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
I'm going to take Noah home. No.
There wasn't any water, you cheeseburger. Was there?
Cheeseburger. Anything scrub our tire. Well, when you roll down the window, you didn't see the dryer.
Just blew a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. Those napkins. No way.
No